Welcome to second session of Oracle SQL Masterclass. I am your instructor Rabin Karmakar. In this tutorial, you will learn number 1, what is select. So we'll see selecting single and multiple columns, selecting all columns, selecting and filtering data using where condition. And the next is number 2, various comparison operators in SQL. So we'll know about various comparison operators. And number 3 is combined selection using and or. Now, what is select? The select statement is used to retrieve data from a database. You can think you are asking a question to the database. The database is giving you answer of that question. Very simple. This communication can be done using select. So the basic syntax of select is select, then column name. The column name exists in the table, or the list of columns from table name. So this is the basic syntax of select statement. Now we'll see some examples. To select all columns from employees table, so we have to write the query like select star from employees. The star defined here selecting all the columns. Instead of writing all the columns by a comma separator, we can just write a star to understand Oracle that we are going to select all the columns. Now we'll go to our SQL worksheet and we'll check these query results. Now I am connected to Oracle database and connecting to the HR schema. Now I will write this query to see the result. Select star from employees. So we have employees table in this HR schema. So I will just select this command and click over the run button. This is the run button. So we can see here all the records from this employee table, and it is showing all the columns and their values, right? So this is the method of selecting all the records and all the columns from a table. So now assume you want to get all the first name of employees, then you would write the command like, so now we have to select all the employees first name from employees table. So now we'll write the command select first name from employees. Now we'll just run this and I can see that first name is showing for all the records. So now if we want to select multiple columns, we have to put the column names by a comma separator in following the select command. So select first name, last name, salary from employees. So to see all employees first name, last name and salary, we need to write this command. Now let's check. Select first name, last name, salary from employees. Now run this command and we can see for all the records the first name and last name and the salary. Now we can fetch data on condition basis. So for that we have to use where clause. Now where clause helps us to get filtered rows based on the certain condition. So the syntax will be like select column name or list of columns from table name, and following we will put a condition using where clause. So let's see an example. If you want to see all employees name who earns more than 5,000 salary, you need to write this command: select first name salary from employees where salary greater than 5,000. So let's check this command in SQL. Select first name, last name, salary from employees where salary greater than 5,000. So we can get all the records which are matching this condition where salary is more than 5,000. So we can combine multiple conditions in the where clause also. We will see after few times. Now there are many comparison operators in SQL. So what are the comparison operators? So comparison operators is like equal to. So there are many comparison operators, like mainly 6 comparison operators. So first is equal to, next is not equal to, or the symbol is like this, and then greater than, the symbol is like this, less than, this is the symbol of that, greater than or equal to, so this is the symbol, less than or equal to, this is the symbol. So these are mainly, there are mainly 6 comparison operators in SQL. Now we will filter our result using text matching or string matching. So we can match text or string to get filtered rows. For example, to get information about IT programmer employees, we have to write the query. So let's see here, select star from employees, which is giving all the records, and for each of the record all the column information. Now see here, we need to select all the employees where the employees are IT programmer. So let's check what is the column which are having the designation like IT programmer. So here you can see job ID which are specifying the designation about the employees. So here see IT PROG, that is IT programmer. Now to get all the employees information who are IT programmer from the employees table, we need to write select star, or we can specify the column names to get specific columns, okay, specific column values, so or information. So I am just generalizing this command using the star, so that we can get all the records with all the information. Now select star from employees where job ID equal to IT programmer IT PROG. So let's run this query, and we can see all the records or all the information of the employees who are IT programmer. So similarly we can select specific columns for the same query. So we can now match also the numerical values to get the filtered rows. For example, to get information about all employees who belongs to department number 90, we have to write the query like select first name department ID from employees where department ID equal to 90. Let's check the employees table about the department. So here we can see here department ID is mentioned 50, 10, 20 like this. So I can see 90 department is there. So if we want to fetch all the records or all the employees who are belongs to department number 90, we need to write the query like select first name. So I am just specifying the column names, or I can write star to get all the columns. So I am specifying here column names: first name, last name, and department ID from employees where department ID equal to 90. So let's check this query. So we can see we are getting the desired result. These employees are in the department 90. Now we can combine multiple conditions in where clause. So we have to use in that case and or. These are the operators we can use to combine multiple conditions. For example, if we want to get all employees first name, salary and job ID whose salary is more than 5,000 and who are IT programmer, then we'll write the command like, so here we have to match two conditions. One is the employees whose salary is more than 5,000 and at the same time who are the IT programmer. So there are two conditions. So we are combining two conditions in this query. So you need to write select first name, salary, job ID from employees where salary greater than 5,000, and so we are joining these two conditions using the AND operator, and job ID equal to IT programmer. So let's check this query. Select first name, where salary greater than 5,000 and job ID, IT programmer, IT so we can see we are getting 2 records in these conditions. So in the similar way we can get our desired results using the where condition and combining 2 or more than 1 condition using where clause. Now we will check using or clause also. Okay, if we want to get the result that match either one condition, okay, so any one of the conditions, then we have to use or. For example, if we want to get all employees first name, salary and job ID whose salary is either more than 5,000 or who are IT programmer, so if any one condition is matches, then it will come in the desired output result. Then we need to write the query like this: select first name, salary, job ID from employees where salary greater than 5,000 or job ID equal to IT programmer. So let's check this query. So I am just copying the same query and I am using here or, and see here output result will be different silently and the number of rows will be increased. See here it is checking salary greater than 5,000. This query will get all the rows where salary greater than 5,000 and also all the rows where job ID equal to IT programmer. Okay, so both the conditional output it will combine and it will display the result. Okay, so I am getting here how many rows? 61 rows. Okay, so see here 5,000 salaries, all the salaries are greater than 5,000. Okay, and they are and also they either 5,000 greater than not it is required greater than 5,000 because any one condition is matched, then I'll get the result here. So if their result is their salary is greater than 5,000, it will come into this result. See 6,000, 13,000, these are coming into this result, but they are not, maybe they are not IT programmer. So they are, if I just select the job ID also, I can see here they are not the IT programmer, but since their salary is greater than 5,000, so the record will come as an output. Okay, and also if their job is IT programmer but they are not earning 5,000, they are earning less than 5,000, they will also come in this result set. Okay, so see here 4,800, but they are IT programmer, so this record is coming here. So this is the working principle of OR operator. So thanks for watching the video. We will see in my next lesson.